Very good morning to all my dear students. This is your Ratsa. I am back with your mathematics class. In our previous video, we have completed till question number 5 of exercise 9.5, and today we are going to start our question number 6 of exercise 9.5. Okay, so it's Monday, it's 31st August 2020. So today is the last day of the month. Okay, without any delay, let's start. Here too we are going to use the identities and we'll solve it. Okay, there are 5 questions I have done for you, and 4 questions are your homework, as you can see on your screen. So please look at the screen carefully. The first one is 71 square. Okay, in all these kind of number where you have to use the identity when the numbers are given with the whole square or something, and you have to use the identity, that is the formula, then the first thing you have to think about is try to convert the given number to the number which ends with 0, which is the nearest number which ends with 0. Like 71 is between 70 and 80, the number which ends with 0, isn't it? 70 and 80, it lies between 70 and 80. But why I have taken 70 is because 71 is closer to 70. Okay, so you have to convert to that number which ends with 0. So it will be more easier if you'll understand in this way. So that's why what I have written is 71 can be written as 70 plus 1. Since here is a square, so square will come down. Now if you see here, this can be compared with the first identity, a plus b whole square. If you remember this, a plus b whole square. See, our 70 is our a and b is our 1, isn't it? So what is the formula? A square, that is 70 square, plus 2 into a into b. A is 70, b is 1, plus b square, that means 1 square. Now let us simply multiply it. 70 square means 7 sevens are 49. 0 2 times is 2 times. Here you'll have to multiply this. 2 sevens are 2 70s are 140. 141s are 140. And the last is 1 square means 1 into 1, 1. Now finally we need to add, because we have addition in both the terms. So 4900 plus 140 plus 1. If you'll add, you'll get 5041. It's very simple. Okay, are you clear with this? Okay, let's move to the next question. That is Roman number 4. If you see here, 998 square. Now 998 lies between which two numbers which ends with 0? It lies between 990, isn't it, and 1000. So it lies nearer to 1000. That means we'll take 1000. So we'll write 1000 minus 2. 1000 minus 2 is 998. So square is already present, so we'll write a square. Now again we'll use the second identity since it's a minus over here. So a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Now from here you understood this. This is just a simplification. Just multiplying and adding. Okay, let's move to Roman number 6. 297 and 303. Yeah. Now here are two numbers given. See, I have break this numbers because there is only one number given. Okay, now here are two numbers given. So what you will do, no square is there. That means first, and this is not a first and second identity, because in first identity we have a plus b whole square. In second identity we have a minus b whole square. That means in both the identities we need a square, if you remember. But in the third and fourth identity we do not need a square. That is, what is the third identity? Do you remember? Yeah, I'll tell you. a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. See here, I know you might be thinking here is a square, but you don't have a whole square, isn't it? But if you'll see this side, the right side, we have a plus b, a minus b. See here, the first one is same AA and the second one is same BB. Only the sign is different, isn't it? Now we need to change the given two numbers into this form, a plus b and a minus b. How? I am telling you. Which is the mid number of the number which lies between 297 and 303 and which is in the mid, that is 300. 300 lies between the mid of 297 and 303. So that's why A will take 300. Now, how we will get minus 3 and plus 3? I am telling you. 300 subtracting minus 3 only will get 297, isn't it? That's why it is minus 3. Now 300, if you'll add 3, then you'll get 303, isn't it? That's why we have used plus 3. Now see, the first one is same, the second one is same, only the sign is different, plus and minus. So it's now a minus b into a plus b. So what's the formula? A square minus b square. What is our a? 300 square minus b square means 3 square. So now 300 square will give you 90,000 and 3 square will give you 9. Now 90,000 minus 9 will give you 89,991. So this is your final answer. Okay, let's move to Roman number 8. Now it's also same, 8.9 whole square. Now think it's just 89 square. So what I have taught you in this case, Roman number 1 and 4, you'll have to do same. In case of 89, what you'll write, which is the nearest number ending with 0? 90. So we'll write 90 minus 1 whole square, isn't it? But since here is a point point before one digit, because 9 is only there, so point before one digit. So we'll put point before one digit and point before one digit. So this will become 9.0 minus 0.1. So this is how point will come. Are you getting my point? Okay, so this 8.9 whole square will give you 9.0 minus 0.1 whole square. Now this is a minus b whole square. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So simply we'll have to simplify it. 9 square means 9 9s are 81. 2 9s are 18. 18 into 0.1 will give you 1.8. And lastly 0.1 whole square is 0.01. If you multiply 0.1 into 0.1, you'll get 0.01. Now let us subtract this two. 81 minus 1.8, you'll get 79.2, and we have 0.01. So by adding this two, you get 79.21. Okay? Okay, let's move to Roman number 9. And this is very important. Please look at here properly. See, here is a point before 2 digit, here is a point before 1 digit. Okay, that's why we need to remove the point, because if in both the number, if the point there, the decimal number is equal, like after 0.2 decimals are there, after 0.1 decimal is there, so these are not equal. But if it is equal, then you can directly solve it without removing the point. But here, since the decimal numbers are not equal, here are two numbers after point, here is one number after point, so we will remove the point first. How we will remove? If point will be removed from here means from the first number, after removing point you will get 1 in the denominator. After point, how many digits are there? 0, 5, 2 digits, so 2 zeros will come. In the same way, in this number, you remove a point, you get 1. After point, 1 digit, 5 is there, so 1 0. So this is how you have to remove the point. Are you getting my point? Okay, let's move further. So 105 can be written as 100 plus 5. So to make it similar, I'll use 100 again. 100 minus 5 is 95. Okay, so the denominator will remain as it is. Now see, the upper one, the first one is same, the second one is same, but the signs are different, plus and minus, so it will go to the third identity as we have done here also. That is a plus b into a minus b. This is a plus b, this is a minus b. Formula is a square, that is 100 square, minus b square, that is 5 square. Let us multiply the denominators. 10 into 100 will give you 1000. Now let us simplify. 100 square means 10,000, 5 square is 25. So 10,000 minus 25 will give you 9,975, and we have 1000 in the denominator. Now if you'll remove this 1000, 3 zeros are there, so point will be there before 3 digits, so it will come 9.975. If you are confused, you can divide also 9,975 with 1000. You'll get the same answer. Or either you can simply remove this. Since here is 3 zeros, so point will come 3 numbers before. So your answer will be 9.975. So this is your homework, my dears. You'll do it now and you'll show it to me. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next video. That is question number 7.